All right, so in this video, I'm showing you how I take the style board that I made on Amazon and how I post it across social media. So for me, my main platforms are going to be Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Now, in this example, I did not post to Instagram, but typically when I post on my personal page, it flows over to Instagram, and then I just tag it to my story and add the link. Now, the reason why I post to multiple platforms, because that's going to help, more with your reach and your visibility by reaching more people. If you're new, I would maybe recommend starting out with one or two platforms so you don't overwhelm yourself. If you're someone that's used to social media and all that, you may be okay with doing 3 or 4 platforms at a time. But I would, say if you're new to it and you're still learning, try to figure it out. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to post so many places. Just choose like your main one or two and post there. So you notice here, I post this on my personal Facebook page, but I'm going to also take this same post and share it directly in my group. The reason why I'm going to share it directly in my group as well is because when people in my group see it, they can share it as well. So right here, I'm just posting this to YouTube. On YouTube, you can do posts, which is so cool. You can also schedule these posts out. So I just take that same post and just copy and paste it to all the platforms that I'm going to be putting it on. So this is where I'm going back to Facebook and going to my Facebook group and posting the picture I made here, copying and pasting, same thing. And then I'm putting the link in the comments. So that way, if someone likes this and they share it directly from my group, it's going to show up on their page from my group. And then that's what's going to help you grow your group. Now I'm going back to ChatGPT, which helps me write up the caption. I'm going to Lemon 8. I'm going to post it on Lemon 8. And then with Lemon 8 post, it's going to automatically post over to my TikTok because I connected them both. So doing the same thing, just copying and pasting the information, and then it's uploaded. And I'm just adding the link in the comments. So now I'm getting ready to put this on Pinterest. So I just typed into ChatGPT to give me a Pinterest title and description, because you want to focus on SEO. So when people are searching, your stuff could potentially pop up. And also adding the hashtags. So now I'm going to go over to Pinterest. I'm going to copy in the description, but I got a little sidetracked here. As you can see, I started saving other stuff, and that's typically what happens. I'm going to recreate that outfit. Thought that was super cute. So got sidetracked and started saving up stuff. But Pinterest is good for inspo as well. I love Pinterest. A lot of people get on Pinterest as well to search for items, and that's why it's great to put your style boards, your business, and things out on Pinterest as well, because Pinterest continue to work for you. So I'm putting the picture on there, adding the title, going in to add my description and hashtags. Now, one thing I will make a note of that you want to remember, and I have a bad time remembering sometimes, is adding the affiliate disclosure so people know that this is an affiliate link. So you want to make sure that you do that, because you are required to. And I will say sometimes I forget, but that's on me. But just want to throw that out there. All right, so I'm adding this to my style board to my board that I already have created. And so this is how it looks. And then once you click visit, goes to Amazon, and that's my page. And then this is my Pinterest. As you can see, I post all my stuff there. So what I do is, if I'm already posting about it, I just take the same post and just post it across all platforms.